So one of the things that I find can be really useful is to do some blind contour drawing. Now, blind contour drawing is when you put your pen down on a point on the subject that you're drawing and you don't lift it up and you don't watch what you're drawing. You just watch the subject and let your eyes follow it around, and at the same time make the line with your pen. So it's a great way of getting some good hand-to-eye coordination going. If you're brave, you can try it with your non-dominant hand as well. And it's help you to build up your repertoire of shapes as well, so that when it comes time to do the painting, you have some shapes in your memory. So today I'm going to do a blind contour drawing of this beautiful orchid plant that has come into bloom, and it's a Miltonia orchid. It kind of has a pansy-like flower. So I am going to just show you how I might go about that, and you don't have to be concerned if it really looks like the plant. It's just a matter of practice. So let's get started. So there you have it, a blind contour drawing, and it's not the greatest, but I do like how I got some nice whimsy in the leaf shapes. My flowers, not so great, but maybe I'll just go back and focus on doing a couple of flower shapes and not the whole pot. it's a great way to get some more whimsical shapes, maybe a little looser, not as accurate as if you were watching with your eyes on the paper. So I hope you'll give it a whirl and just train your eye. I really like some of the shapes that I got in this area, and some of the centers and stuff can be kind of fun.